guys, it's your girl Seynt here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can post a panorama photo onto your Instagram feed, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for Instagram and they're quite easy tutorials to follow along with. So if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell button so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. First things first, you need to download an app called Unsquared for Instagram, and I've already done that already, but I will show you what it looks like. If you want to follow along with me, feel free to pause the video now and download the app and then continue and follow along. So go into the app and I've already got a photo saved already, so I'm going to go ahead and select that and I'm going to hit that tick button, and you can see here it has split into 3. And if you go down to the bottom of the screen, it will have like a box with the number 3 on it. Tap onto that and you can either separate them into 2, 3, 4 or 5 pieces. And you know, the more pieces there are, the smaller the photo is. So I'm just going to stick with 3 for now, and you can adjust it by using 2 fingers, either zooming in or zooming out, and you can drag it up or down. I'm just going to leave it at that for now, and I'm going to hit done. What it's got to do is got to cut it all up into squares for you, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in my photos. So now I'm going to go into my Instagram account. I'm going to select multiple. I'm going to hit 1 and 2. The third one has a watermark, so I'm going to choose not to add that, and I'm going to hit next. Wait, if you go back, you can actually add a filter to it as well. So if you add a filter to one, it will be used across all the photos. Here you can add caption as per normal, and you can tag whoever you need to and hit share. As you can see, when you swipe right, it looks seamless, and I feel like it's easier to use an app than, you know, going to Photoshop and doing it there. I mean, this app is an alternative if you're a bit lazy like me. If this video has helped you, give me a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below. But that's all from me for now, and I will see you on the next one.